Hello everybody, Jeff here with AZ Camera Reviews and Chai in USA. Today I'm going to talk to you about something that's very passionate, or that I have a lot of passion about in my life. I bought myself a drone a few months ago and I've been playing with it. Some of you may have seen some of my videos. And I do a lot of videos outside with my drone. Most people don't use their drones in their house, but some people do, not me. Anyway, since I do so many drone shoots outside, I wanted to make sure that I had a really nice base to take off for my drone. So I was looking through a book and online, and I saw this Freewell drone mat. And the reason why I decided on this one was because I saw that it folds up and it would fit in my case. So this is the front of the Freewell drone mat, and this is what the back looks like. And let's take it out of the box and let's see what we've got. So here we go. Put this thing down on the table. It comes in a nice little case, and it's a drawstring case. And like I said, the reason why I wanted this particular drone mat was because I have this drone case that I keep my drone in, and I wanted something that would be, easy for me to transport. And this thing fits so nice inside the case, and then I can just close the case up, zipper it, close, and I've got my drone mat with me. So it's not oblong, it's not big, it's just the perfect size. So let's take it out. Let's unpack it and see what we have. Okay, take it out of the case. And it's made out of a vinyl with something laminated inside. And let's just open it up. And it looks like we've got a bunch of paper in between. I guess that was to make sure that it didn't stick to each other after it was printed. And here's another piece of paper. We'll take that out. Okay. And this is what the drone mat looks like. And like I said, it's somewhat solid. Now let's put it on the ground, see what it looks like, and try a drone takeoff. Okay, so now the drone is ready to go. I've got it all started up. And as always, make sure that you're operating in a safe environment, that you don't have any trees or anything around you, or that there's no debris that can possibly get kicked up and into your eyes. So I'm going to start this up. I'm going to back out first, and we'll take off and see how this works. Okay, so there you have it, folks. This is the Freewell drone mat, and as I mentioned before, the reason I like it is because it folds up. It's really portable. It's got a yellow side and it's got an orange side, and it's extremely easy to transport. It fits inside my case, and I highly recommend it. It's about 20 bucks. Anyway, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews and Chai in USA. And until next time, please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.